Hello people, it's Sazdan here. Welcome back to Decremis, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as CocoSwap. So let's get started. Coco is a progressive deflationary DeFi token built to succeed. The main idea behind Coco is to provide a decentralized transaction network which operates on the Binance Smart Chain BSC. The path forwarded for Coco is determined by market fluctuations, but the model it run on backs Coco to succeed. Coco is a deflationary token with max circulating supply of 149 billion tokens. On each transaction, a tax of 2% will be distributed to the hodlers, and further 2% will be burnt, hence incentivizing holders to hodl and decreasing the supply over time. As the supply decreases, the scarcity of the token increases. The inversely proportional relationship constitutes a supply and demand model. Furthermore, there is no limit as to how many tokens can be burned. Without a burning limit, you know what happens next. So let's have some analysis of their chart to see if there is any pump or if they are in dip period. So they are listed on Dex Guru. So let's have a look at their chart. So looking at the chart at first, it seems like it was in dip period. After that it pumped and now it's again in dip period. It's a best opportunity to buy these tokens and sell it in future for 100x profit. In liquidity, they have locked almost $14,000 and the trading volume is $30,000. So as you all know, every crypto project must have a roadmap where they show their future goal, that what are they going to do in future. As for this project, let's see if there is any roadmap. On 2021 April 4th, they have design and creation. On 19 April, they have PancakeSwap listing. On 19 April, marketing push. And on same 19 April, they have updated roadmap release. So let's talk about social media of this project. As you people would already know, social media activities shows that how active a project is and what are they going to do next. Starting with their Twitter is named as CocoSwap with a follower of 1,261 with 20 tweets. Their last post is on 1st May, which was the day before yesterday, and consistent before that. So it shows they are active on their Twitter. On Telegram, they have a family of almost 665 members, where admin are super fast to reply. So as an overview, I would say that this coin is in dip period. You should buy this coin to sell it in future to have 100x gains. So guys, it was all up for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis. I will leave the website link of CocoSwap in the description below so you can check it out. If you want to support us, I will leave our Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description below, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.